What do you think about the problems or small issues we as a students face in our day-to-day life? जिस पे क्रश है वो हमसे बात नहीं कर रहा है कर रही, कॉलेज या स्कूल में बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स असाइनमेंट्स हैं जो कंप्लीट नहीं हो रहे हैं, या फिर एग्जाम्स आने वाले और मैंने कुछ पढ़ा नहीं, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. बट नाउ imagine a situation in which you are only 16, 17 or 18 and your mom and dad just got divorced and your dad left the home leaving you and your mom all alone. Just because he was a Chinese student, bullying and beating was an everyday show for Dan Lok in his school life. He used to cry, he used to scream, suffered from depression, anxiety, stress, whatever you say. He used to ignore school life. He was a very shy in his school life, and just after his school life got over, his mom and dad got divorced. And Dan Lok, with his mom, shifted to Canada, where they both lived in a one-room apartment, and Dan Lok was used to sleep on a fucking sleeping bag. And if you think that his sad story ends here, then you are completely wrong. Because one day, he got a call from his dad, and his dad said, "We got bankrupt." His dad lost all his money, and now he don't have any money to feed his wife and his son Dan. मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता हूं तुम सबसे. To be very honest, I cried a lot. I not रोने वाला cry, but I being a creator, मुझे बहुत ये खाता है अंदर से कि why मेरे followers, why मेरे subscribers नहीं बढ़ रहे हैं. This is an issue I face in my day-to-day life, but if I compare this to Dan Lok's story till now, is it even a problem or issue to care about? Whatever problem you are facing right now, ask yourself, is it really a problem? In school, he was beaten up badly just because he was a Chinese. After school life, his mom and dad got divorced. And after that, his dad went into bankruptcy. They don't have a job. They don't have someone in the family who can feed them day and night. Now, compare your problems with his problems. Are they a really problem? Being into a new country with very little money. Your dad got bankrupt and now not living with you. And your mom is jobless and you are just 17. To be very honest, if I was at the place of Dan Lok, मैं शायद सुसाइड कर लेता, और मैं या फिर वो करता जो डैन लॉक ने किया. When Dan Lok entered in college, he don't have a single penny to feed his mom. So he decided to do a side hustle. From घास काटना to delivering newspapers to fixing computers, he did every single thing to make a penny. And in that whole process, he realized one of the crucial lesson of his life. that it is not possible for him to work under somebody. It is not possible for him to be a worker for life. So he decided that he will step into entrepreneurship. But पैसे तो है ही नहीं. Dad got bankrupt. Mom was jobless. How should I start the business? So he decided to borrow all the money from wherever he can, from his relatives, from his neighbors, wherever he can. He borrowed the money and started a business. Now you might be thinking that just because he started a business, he became successful. But again, you are wrong. In his course of 3 years in college, Dan Lok started 13 businesses and failed in every of them. When he was in last year of his college, when he was 21, he was a kind of person who has started 13 different businesses and failed each one of them. And the worst part was that $150,000. I would like to repeat it. 150,000. In India, it was around 10 crore. He was in debt of that rupees, of that amount. Now imagine yourself in his situation. You are 21. You just got free from your college life, but you need to pay someone around 10 crore rupees that you had borrowed in the past. You have opened 13 businesses and failed every single one of them. You don't have food to feed your mom. Imagine yourself. What would you do? And just like there is an angel, we can say, in every story, Dan Lok founded his mentor. Dan Lok considered his mentor as the first person who believed in himself. Now you might be wondering that after having a chat with his mentor, his life would be, he became very successful overnight. But again, you are wrong. In order to make his mentor believe in himself, Dan Lok used to visit his home every single day. He used to do everything that would make a positive impact on his mentor. Dan Lok ने अपने मेंटोर की घर की घासें तक काटी है, जस्ट बिकॉज वो अपने मेंटर को ये बिलीव करा सके कि आई एम द हंग्रीएस्ट वन इन दिस एंटायर वर्ल्ड. ब्रो, जस्ट इमेजिन, तुम कॉलेज से निकले हो, तुम्हारे शोल्डर्स पे 10 करोड़ रुपए का मनी है. You have failed in 13 businesses. Your mom is jobless. And still, you refuse to give up. With the guidance and help of his mentor, Dan started his one-man agency when he was 22. And at that time, for the very first time, he tasted a piece of cake with the toppings of success. And after 4 years, with the help of complete grinding, hard work, no excuses, showing up every single day, At the age of 26, Dan Lok became a millionaire. And if you still ask him what is the biggest success or biggest achievement he has achieved till now, he said in a conversation that for the very first time when he visited a grocery store with his mom, Dan Lok told her mom that, "Mom, today we are not going to buy any groceries from nearly expired section." Because from his whole childhood, the family used to eat fruits, vegetables, every single thing that is on the table from expiry section in a grocery store. And when the first time the Chinese boy said to her mom कि mom, आज हम expired food नहीं खाएंगे. We are going to eat raw food, real food, fresh food. And that was the moment, you can say, he realized that he became successful. Currently, Dan Lok is a multi-millionaire and his net worth is measured to be about 74.5 million. He is also an international speaker, helping and impacting millions of people. Helping and impacting millions of young entrepreneurs to achieve their dreams. Dan Lok himself said the lesson he learned from his own story. No matter what obstacles you are facing in your life, no matter you think how hard or how harsh your life is, every single person can succeed if they don't give up. And if I can do that, then everybody can. This is a story of a man you know, but the struggle you don't.